Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we'll be doing page numbers 22 to 25. Let us start with page number 22, that is Great Indian Scientists. Here you have to use the clues to identify the Indian mathematicians and scientists whose contribution have benefited humanity through the ages. Let us see the first one. Let us try to recognize. He was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician known for his work on the revolution of the earth, prediction of eclipse, and use of place value in number systems. India's first satellite was named after him. He was Aryabhatta. He was the principal contributor and practitioner of a ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. He is Charaka. Next, his groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra, curing patients through surgeries. He developed various unique techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. He was Sushruta. Next, he was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is known for his book Panchasiddhantika, the detailed study of Western and Eastern and Indian astronomy. He is Varahamihir. Next, he was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books of Mahabhaskarya and Laghu Bhaskarya that dealt with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipse, and the phases of the moon. He is Bhaskara 1. Last, he was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 6th century known for his book Brahma Sputa Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. He was Brahmagupta. Brain teasers. Answer the following riddles. Let's try to answer the riddles. First, write down the first letter of each word from the following sentence to make the abbreviation of the Science Agency of International Repute. Also write the full form of this agency. Right? Nature's anger silences all. So here what you need to do, you will need to take first letters of each word, that is NASA. So write down NASA and its full form will be National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Unscramble the words in the following sentence to make it meaningful. Srinivas Ramanujan was a renowned Indian mathematician. So write down renowned and mathematician. 5 boys named A, B, C, D and E were eating 5 bananas. Right? The boys named A, B, C, D, E were eating 5 bananas. D finishes banana before A but after C. That means सबसे पहले C ने ख़त्म किया, उसके बाद D, उसके बाद A. Right? E finishes his banana before B but after A. So that means first was C, then D, then A, then E and lastly B. So write down C, D, A, E, B. Aman tells Natasha, your brother is the son of my father's sister. How is Natasha related to Aman's father? They are niece and maternal uncle. Next, what is that never gets hurt when it falls? Rain. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. What has a head and a tail but no legs? A coin. Make a word TORN from the word CONE by changing one letter at a time. On changing the letter, the word should still make sense. So children, here what you need to do, you need to convert the word CONE to TORN. But at a time, you can change only one letter, and even after changing one letter, that word should make sense. Right? So let us start. First, what we'll do, we'll replace C with T. So that will become TONE, tone. Later, we will exchange N's place with R. So that will become TORE. And lastly, E will be replaced with N. So that will become TORN. So write down TONE and TORE. Animals in danger. Many animal species are rapidly disappearing from the earth. These animals are called endangered animals. Right? ऐसे काफ़ी सारे animals हैं जो अभी disappear हो जाएंगे, एक भी नहीं बचेगा. So that type of animals are called, that category is called endangered animals. Let us read about some endangered animals here and find out why they are disappearing. Let us see the first one. First one is pangolins. Pangolins, they are also called scaly anteaters. Right? They curl into a ball when threatened. जब उनको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ खतरा है, so what they'll do, they will turn into a ball. Some pangolins, such as the African black-bellied pangolin, live entirely in trees. Others live on land, and all pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered, right? So these pangolins, they are being killed for their meat, for their scales and skin. Next, black rhinoceros. The smaller of the two African species are found in different parts of the African subcontinent. These animals are critically endangered due to extensive hunting and threat to their natural habitat. Large-scale poaching is also a major threat to black rhinos, as they are mostly killed for their horns, which is used for making traditional medicines or ornaments. Right? These are endangered as they are being killed for their horns and so that they can use it for making medicines and ornaments. Leatherback sea turtles. They are named so because they have leather-like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their numbers in check. Increased egg collection and capture have led to the steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. Orangutans, known for their distinctively red fur, are the largest mammals living in the trees. They are found in rainforests in the Southeast Asian islands of Sumatra and Borneo. They have been classified as critically endangered animals, with their numbers declining drastically over the years because of habitat loss and hunting. Due to hunting and their habitat loss. Red pandas, with the length of about 2 feet, are only slightly larger than domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. They mostly live in trees, and more than half of them are found in the Eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. The loss of trees and bamboo in forest has caused a huge decline in the red panda's population. Asian elephants have been revered for centuries in Asia as they play an important role in the continent's culture and religion. Smaller than their African counterpart, Asian elephants can be identified by the smaller rounded ears. Habitat loss due to expanding human settlements, agriculture plantations, and large developmental works like dams have led to the decrease in their numbers. Poaching too is a major threat to elephants in Asia as they are killed for their ivory tusks, meat, leather, and other products. They have been killed for their tusks, for meat, right, for leather, and other products. Even the habitat, the forest, they are getting declined as we are cutting them off for our needs. Quick quiz. Answer the following. First, which animal makes the longest migration? That is Arctic tern. On which continent will you find a rare black spider monkey? You'll find it in South America. Next, which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all? That is Siberian. Which endangered toothed whale is the largest? That is the sperm whale. The Cape hunting dogs or hyena dogs are one of the world's most endangered animals and differ from other dogs in having only 4 toes on each foot. On which continent are they found? They are found in Africa. Next, name the apes, also called pygmy chimpanzees, which are found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. They are bonobo. Okay, we'll continue with the other pages in the next session. Jai Swaminarayan.